me uploading the video I just did, the long segment of 1 hour at Tuwas. My name is Majid Sami Ayed Samor, born on the 11th of October 1998, student number 230799789. I'm uploading it to my YouTube, majid.samor@gmail.com. That's maged.sammor@gmail.com. I speak Arabic, not English, so I'm not going to give you the whatever you want to call it. I'm going to email you the letters in Latin if you want, but that's for the ICC to decide. In any case, I'm printing now. I'm about to pay, but I want to upload this video first. It says failed, metadata not saved. That should be fixed soon. If not, there's going to be consequences. So I'm going to end this segment, screenshot, sign, and then print. Okay, I'm trying to share one last thing. This is really needs to get fixed soon, and soon minutes. I'm trying to upload a screenshot to my Google Drive, to my iCloud, and to my OneDrive for when I get back home. And then also I want to have this on my local NAS storage at home using Raspberry Pi OS, which is an open source operating system. Not Android, not Windows, not Apple, Mac OS, not any of that. My own open source not my own, it's not my own, it's open source made by the community. I'm going to use an open source operating system to host my documents. I hope that's clear. Alright, I'm gonna sign finally, and if that doesn't work, I'm gonna save it locally, and I'm gonna publish it on the web like in 10 seconds, so it doesn't really matter if I can't use the share button. Okay, so I tried sharing and I got a system UI keeps stopping. I'm back, by the way. My name is Majid Sami Ayed Samor, born the 11th of October 1998. Student number 230799789 at the Hague University of Applied Sciences, which is where I am right now. I have a class and I had to skip it because the printer wasn't working. Not the printer, but the tablet with the Android operating system, Lenovo tablet wasn't working properly. It's owned by Google, so it's not open source, which is a big problem. So, in any case, I said I'm gonna host this on my Synology, which I did. Not Synology, no, sorry. Take that back. Again, my English is not my first language, so I make mistakes here and there. But I'll correct myself. That's what's important. So I'm gonna host this to my local NAS at home, which is already done remotely using Ultra VNC, which is an open source software. But it's going to be public on the video is going to be on YouTube, which is not public, but everything else is going to have its own HTTPS connection to my server with all the documents, all the images in screenshot format, in SFG format, in PDF format, whatever you want, JPEG, PNG, whatever you want. It's going to be all public, freely accessible, open source for the community and for the people. No bullshit. And one last thing is, what is it? I'm trying to think here. Yeah, that's gonna be for the next segment, not now, because I need to make decisions like in a few minutes with my pencil and my hand and a piece of paper at the library of the Hague University of Applied Sciences. I'm ending the segment. Okay, I'm back. My name is Majid Sami Ayed Samor, born the 11th of October 1998. I'm at Tuwas, the Hague University of Applied Sciences, serial number 230799789. I'm in a public space, so I can't say much, but it should be in the public space because this is for the community and it's for the open source for the people. But basically, from the last segment, I said I was trying to share the screenshot I took, signed by me, digitally signed. Not to mention, I already signed this on paper on my hand at the university in Den Haag, Netherlands. But I'm speaking U.S. American right now. But in any case, because the ICC uses Like it's a global thing, right? In any case, you can see now in the recording that this is what I get. The system UI 13, which is I assume Android 13. Notifications, permissions, whatever. It doesn't really matter. I'm connected to the edu Roam, but what's important is that the down is version 12035000001. I'm gonna write that on paper as well. You know what? I'm gonna write that on my document. So so that would be 12035000001. Wait, when I see a lot of zeros, I get confused. 00001. Alright, 00001. In Arabic, that's 12035000001. In Dutch, that's 12035000001. That's the version of the Android, and you can see the screenshotting it right now. I'm gonna sign this. I'm not gonna share it because apparently Google cannot fix its shit. So what I'm gonna do is, not Google per se, but whoever is pulling the strings. I'm gonna close my Mac now. I close my laptop. I'm gonna close this recording and this segment. I'm gonna print, and I'm gonna send. They should be already sent by now through an HTTPS connection from an open source community, from a NAS or whatever you want to call it, you know, your language. But in any case, it's gonna be available easily. By easily, I mean you go to google.com, you go to a browser, you go to your phone, you do HTTPS, the dot, I don't know how it's called in English, sorry, again, I don't speak English, but double dot, like double-sided dot, //1.nl.officescloud.loopscript. It's going to be available to the public. The domain is yet to be public, again, for court reasons and for the ICC, that's for the ICC to decide, but the ICC should now have access to it. Like as in 1:05 p.m. checking the time, it's the 21st of March 2024. In Arabic, that's 21 شهر 3 2024. In Dutch, you can go look it up yourself. But in any case, the ICC will probably, or whoever entity, the governmental entity, I really don't care. Everybody should be able to see it, and by everybody I mean every United Nations member of the state, including South Africa. So you should have access to it now, so signed and digitally. By Majid Sami Aitsam, we're born the 11th of October 1998. Serial number 230799789. In case my voice, gets abrupted by or changed by some agency, especially in the Middle East. So I'm not gonna specify names because I don't think that should be public knowledge. Not up until I decide when it's public knowledge. So this is gonna be saved, and I'm gonna leave. So peace out.